In the bustling suburban district of Soc Son, Hanoi, where the once dominant agricultural landscape has been steadily eroded by urbanization, the Up House stands as a testament to a community's resilience and adaptability. This unique architectural project emerged from the pressing needs of a multi-generational family, struggling to maintain their agrarian roots amidst the encroaching modern world. The family, comprising office clerks, businessmen, fishermen, and farmers, faced a complex challenge. Their diverse lifestyles necessitated a living space that could accommodate both traditional agricultural practices and contemporary comforts. The Up House, with its 5 interconnected masses, was designed to meet these demands. Inspired by the local context, the architects sought to create a harmonious balance between nature and human habitation. The house is surrounded by a courtyard garden and local trees, providing shade, fresh air, and a connection to the natural world. The elevated first floor helps to mitigate humidity and pests, while the rooftop serves as a natural drying area for agricultural products. The Up House is more than just a dwelling. It is a symbol of the family's commitment to their heritage. By incorporating traditional farming practices into the design, the project addresses the pressing issue of farmers drying their produce on roads, endangering traffic safety. The rooftop drying area provides a sustainable and efficient solution to this problem. Moreover, the Up House demonstrates the potential for innovative architectural solutions to address the challenges of urbanization. By integrating modern amenities with traditional practices, the project creates a living space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It is a testament to the power of design to foster a harmonious coexistence between humans and the environment.